In this video, I'll show you how you can make the voice to be yelling or shouting in ElevenLabs text-to-speech tool, and I'll cover the techniques that you can try on the version 2 and version 3 models of ElevenLabs. But let's focus on the version 2 first. Now, I do have this simple text that is saying don't jump. It's very simple and I just want to use it as a demonstration. Now, I'm going to generate speech, so later we can do some iterative approach to make this text to be yelling. I'm going to click this and take a listen.
Don't jump.
Okay, that's actually pretty good, but it's not quite yelling. However, we can fix it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make this text to be uppercase. So let's do it again, but this time around is uppercase. Don't jump, but every single letter is uppercase. And let's generate the speech again.
Don't jump.
Okay, maybe there's a slight improvement, and if you're not quite happy, you can regenerate the speech again, and maybe we can get something that's right.
Don't jump.
Okay, it's still not quite right, but we can add a simple trick, a simple exclamation mark at the end, like this one, and that usually will make the voice to be yelling.
Don't jump.
Okay, that sounds a bit better.
Don't jump.
Alright, so basically you can do this, and the settings actually doesn't really matter. I have done some testing and the settings have little to do. I think it has more about how do you format the text. Now, if you're still not quite happy with the result, you can actually add some context surrounding the text. Like for example, she shouted, and then I'm going to add comma and then some emphasis using the double quotation mark like this one. And let's generate the speech again.
She shouted, don't jump. She shouted, don't jump.
Okay, that's actually a lot better.
She shouted, don't jump.
Yeah, that's definitely much better. So again, you can use uppercase and exclamation mark and also the emphasis by using double quotation mark to make the voice to be yelling at a specific point. So that was for version 2. And by the way, the technique can actually be used for version 3, but the version 3 model has one unique feature that is still exclusive to that model. So I'm going to switch to that model. Let's select 11 version 3. And again, if I generate a speech, it still gives me similar result.
She shouted, don't jump.
Okay, how about this one?
She shouted, don't jump.
All right, so definitely the context matters a lot. But in version 3, we can use a feature called tag. So I'm going to add a tag by adding an open square bracket like this one, and then type yelling, or maybe screaming, or maybe shouting. It's up to you. I'm going to be using shouting, and close bracket, close square bracket, and it will be becoming a tag. So this is not going to be read by AI. It's just an information about how AI should actually create this section of the text. So I'm going to try it again. And let's see if this is actually much better.
She shouted, don't jump!
Yeah, that's a lot better. And by the way, usually when we have this tag, you don't have to add an emphasis like that. Or you can also just use some lowercase, not uppercase. So you can use lowercase, and because we have this tag, it's usually going to be treated as yelling even when it is not uppercase. Okay, just wait.
She shouted, don't jump!
Yeah, it's definitely much more expressive. So that's basically how you can make the voice to be yelling or shouting in the text-to-speech tool from ElevenLabs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.